So we are having here a TBA 19 version 30V, and this is for TWA 200 Slim, so Tetra Wedge Aseptic 200 Slim. I want to show you the machine with some details, and also the distribution equipment, which is here, a straw applicator and a cardboard packer. I have opened all the doors so that we can easily access the machine and see everything. So let's start here. We have the T-pop, and the machine is not in production right now. It's installed, it's under power, but there is no steam, no product. So machine has been stopped because the product has been switched to a different package type. And that's why it's available, and it's available immediately. So here you see the machine in the front view. It's complete. There are some small parts missing, but really only small parts, not a big thing. Yeah, here's the jaw system. Let's start with this. This is a very critical area. You see here the shafts are in perfect condition. There are no scratches, there's nothing to see. There's no play, everything is fine, fixed, well maintained, and it only has 9,000 running hours, so that's really not much. Yeah, and almost no play at all, so that's really good. When I say there are small parts missing, I have to tell you the knife here is missing, here the knife and the dollies, but this is you know, 100 euro, 200 euro, and it's back, so it's not really a big thing, but I want to tell you because I have seen it. And here we have the final folder for the Tetra Wedge coming here inside, and getting sealed on the bottom. Yeah, the flaps on the bottom. Okay. Let's have here a look at the pneumatic area. So also we see complete, everything is fine. There's now no pressure because it's the pressure is off. And here electrical cabinet. And there's the second thing and the last thing I saw, which is missing. This is one KS40 is missing here, but again, it's not a big deal to replace this. Just put it in, and then it's working. So it's not the big thing. Okay, here we have the PLC Chifanok 9030 as usual. The electrical cabinet is very nicely organized. So you see somebody really took care about it, about the machine. And here the right side, same picture, PLC over there, very nicely organized, all good. Here we have the discs for the program. We have separate CDs or DVDs with the software, so all is there. And yeah. Okay, maybe I want to show you also something which is important. Here you see that it's a 30V machine. I hope you can see it. 30V, and here you see construction year 2009. So that you know it's true what I'm saying. Okay. Let's go around here. We see the automatic splicing units, also very mint condition. I checked, here's also no play, everything is running smooth, like easy, movable, but no play. So that's very nice. All in very good condition. There's nothing to complain. And there's also the trolley coming with. The hydraulic system complete. As you can see, fine condition. Here, peroxide station. The container is at the peroxide station, so that's why we can't see it here. Also peroxide system, and electrical cabinet from the other side. We have the induction heating TPIH systems here, and electrical cabinet from the other side. Transformators. Basically that's it. Also here again, everything is nice. Okay, so this is now the jaw system from the other side. Also here, nothing to see. Perfect. Final folder. And what you have might seen is there is no lower filling pipe here because it's in cleaning right now, so the lower filling pipe is here inside. This is the cleaning station, so here's the lower filling pipe. I can maybe also try to put it out. Let's see if my fingers are long enough. Yeah, they are. So here it is. Yeah, okay. Put it back. Good. So let's go upstairs. Let's see the machines from here. Okay. We have the splicing unit. Turn it around. Splicing unit for 2 reels for the strip. Yeah. LS element. Also, everything is fine. Here, a septic chamber. Still, even the rollers are in very nice condition. Everything looks very smooth and nice. Yeah. Here, a septic chamber, upper chamber from here. Nice roller. Lower chamber. See, upper filling pipe. Everything okay. ABC valve. Here the ABC valve. Still is it? The machine is still connected. So yeah. Okay, let's go down again. So we come now to the straw applicator. Straw applicator 1 TWA, and so I actually the door is open because I opened the door, but I heated it up so it works. You can see here the Nordson Pro Blue is ready for production. Here we have the straw application, and just by looking also at the Nordson applicators, you see that it's really maintained well. And yeah, okay, so close this door. Okay. And there's a Domino inkjet printer coming with the line, and it's connected actually here. Here's the printing head, and this is part of the straw applicator. So at the in feed of the straw applicator, here, the inkjet printer is marking then the packages. Yeah, that's a quite nice system. So you don't have it outside somewhere on the conveyors. You do have it here integrated in the straw applicator, which I personally like very much. Okay, so with the straw applicator there comes a bent foil treater. That bent foil treater is a little bit heating up the straws because they have this plastic around, and sometimes when they're in the box they are, you know, they bend, of course, because you have to put them in the box, and this causes sometimes issues in the performance of the straw applicator. So this bent foil treater is smoothing out these bends, and the performance of the straw applicator goes up definitely and significantly, actually. So as I said, it comes with the machine, and this is also recommended. So here we have the electrical cabinet of the straw applicator. Again, we have the G-Fanuc 9030. Also, if you look at this electrical cabinet, it's very well organized, it looks good. We have the program here on the stick, on the USB stick. Okay, now I cannot close it with one hand, I do it later. We have the DMC card for the servo. There's a servo inside for the straw application there. And we have the gauges for doing the settings of the machine. So everything is there. And of course also the manual. I'll show you later. There's a box with all the manuals. Good, and then let's go to the Cardbord Packer. So we have the conveyors here, and then the conveyors enter towards the Cardbord Packer, and they are divided now. They go left and right. You can't see the right part because there is this stuff in front of it here, this pellet I couldn't remove. So the packs are entering from the left side and also from the right side into the machine. Once we are on the other side, we see what happens then. Okay, we do it right now. We go on the other side. So they are entering then here on the left, and on the other side, on the right, you see here, and get grouped into this chain, into this white chain here, and then they are being pushed over here into the tray. The tray is coming from this side, from the tray magazine, pulled down with the vacuum cups, transported here, and then the packs are being pushed in by this pusher here. Yeah, being pushed in, and then they move forward. The tray gets closed. It's a wraparound. You have all the applicators here for the wraparound, and the ones for the bottom gluing here, and then it goes here and leaves the machine in the outfeed. Yeah. So straightforward, like you might know from a Cardbord Packer 70, but of course it is modified to the application of the Tetra wedge aseptic. Yeah. Okay, so you see here then the magazine, and this looks familiar. This is a Cardbord Packer 70 magazine, and yeah, here is the electrical cabinet. We have here Allen Bradley PLC, and also there's another one on the other side where I was before. This is here. So here we have the touch panel. Yeah. Also very nice. And also Allen Bradley PLC. Yeah. Okay. So maybe also look at the outfit, which is here. So the tray comes from there, and here's the outfit. Here we have a Pro Blue 10, and looks almost new. Even if we look at the tank, nice green coating still there, so looks fine. Okay, I said also about the documents. There are documents, maintenance menu, electrical manual, maintenance, operational manual. So everything is here. So, okay, so maybe another look on the TBA 19 from the front side, and okay, bye bye.